Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make potato chips at home. Everybody loves potato chips, especially children. So let's try making them at home instead of buying them from stores at this time. So let's get started. What I've first done is sliced my potatoes using this mandolin into very thin slices. Okay, and I've soaked it in water for about an hour. Also, what I've done is I've left the skin of the potato because I like the potato skin, plus it is nutritious. If you want, you can peel your potatoes and then slice it as well. Okay, so let's get started how to make these wonderful potato chips at home, because as you know that we're all inside our houses and it is not safe to buy potato chips from out because of the virus that is spreading everywhere. So let's make this at home and you will realize that they're more delicious than buying from outside. Before we fry these potato chips, take them out and dry them completely. Let them dry. Now let's start frying them. So here you go, my potato wafers are ready. Look how wonderful they look. Homemade potato chips. Nice and crunchy. If you like the recipe, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the like and share the recipe. And also don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you get notification about the next recipe that I will be posting. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this. Have a nice day. Goodbye.